Hello, children. I'm Kusainova Guldem Bolatovna, English teacher. For today, let me introduce new theme, space. First of all, learning objectives of the lesson. I guess this will be for you harder. Let's talk about learning outcomes. First, use imagination to express thoughts and ideas in 4-6 sentences. Second, understand the specific information and the detail in text by filling free space with new words given below. Okay, let's start. What is space? Tell me, please. What association do you have with this word? You can use these pictures. There are several pictures that connected with the space. I guess you have a lot of ideas. I will help you. Space is everything in the universe beyond the top of the Earth's atmosphere, the moon, where the GPS satellites orbit, Mars, other stars, and the Milky Way, black holes, and the distant quasars. Okay, then what do we need to know about space? It's like a main information about space. First of all, I would like to ask one question. Can you hear in space any voices? How do you think? Space is completely silent. You cannot hear any sounds in near-empty regions of space. Sounds travel through the vibration of atoms and the molecules in medium, such as air or water. In space, where there is no air, sound has no way to travel. Let's continue. How far away is the sun from the Earth, from our planet? The sun is an average distance of about 150 million kilometers away from the Earth. It is really far away. How hot is the sun? Do you have any ideas? The core of the sun is extremely hot at about 15 million degrees Celsius. The surface of the sun is much cooler than the core at about 5,500 degrees Celsius. You can see the middle side, it's the core of the sun, and the surface, it's like an outside. Next one, I would like to give an exercise, space quiz. Right now, first of all, read 10 questions. There are 10 questions all about space. Then, after, I'll give you listening material. You will listen and try to find right variant. Please read these questions. Okay, let's listen to.
Unit 3, Vocabulary, Exercise 3. The first man-made satellite ever to leave the Earth's atmosphere was Sputnik 1. It was launched in 1957 and weighed 84 kilos.
Yuri Gagarin went on just one mission into space. But what a mission! In 1961, he became the first man to travel into space. He orbited the Earth once, in the spacecraft Vostok 1. The orbit took 108 minutes.
Apollo 11 was the mission that went down in history for carrying out the first moon landing. The first two men on the moon were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. The third member of the crew was Michael Collins.
The Apollo projects were very successful, but very expensive. Next came the idea to have a spacecraft that could be launched, but then land and be used again. This first space shuttle was Columbia, which flew 27 times. On its 28th mission, Columbia had a fatal accident on re-entry. Re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere is always the most dangerous moment of a spaceflight because of the dramatic rise in temperature. The space shuttle took off and landed at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
The moon's craters come from the impact of asteroids crashing onto the moon's surface. There is not really much difference between an asteroid and a meteorite, but technically a meteorite is an object originating in outer space which survives impact with the Earth's surface.
Today, astronomers can track the course of asteroids using powerful telescopes like the Hubble, which is a telescope in space. The Hubble telescope is named after the American astronomer Edwin Hubble. Hubble changed our ideas of the universe by showing that other galaxies existed apart from the Milky Way.
Okay, guys, that's all. I believe that you have finished. Then, let me introduce new vocabulary, new words. All of these words connected with the next exercise. You have to use these new words in a text by using filling the text. Okay, first one, waves. Repeat after me. Waves. Particles. Particles. Surface. Keep attention. Someone think about that face, its pronunciation another way. Here in this word will be surface. Next word, radial. Radial. Dwarf. Dwarf. Dwarf, the synonym, it's like tiny, something little bit. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Solar. Solar. Stars. Stars. Telescopes. Telescopes. Okay, that's all. Then text. Space facts. There are 9 empty places. Please fill in these places by using given words below. Okay, you have words, then try to do this exercise. Thank you for your attention, guys. Goodbye. Have a good day.